Today we are going to discuss 3 money lessons that I wish all adults should know, but most adults don't know. Number 1, asking for help. This is going to be one of the things that I am always going to be talking about, because I think that what we don't know will hurt us. So when it comes to financial fitness, it is just like every other fitness. We all struggle with finances. We all struggle with money. We all need financial literacy to move on with our life. Just like we need to learn more about what we put in our body, what we put in our souls, what we put in our mouth. We need to learn about what our financial fitness, how to better have our money serve us and not be a servant to our money. So asking for help is number 1. Many adults struggle with asking for help because we don't learn about money in school. One of the big pet peeves is we're not learning about money in school. They feel shame and embarrassed about not knowing how to manage money, and often prevents them from seeking the assistance that they need. You want to make sure that you are getting the financial literacy. You're using loud budgeting by talking to your friends about it. You want to be accountability. You want to have a group that you're accounting with each other for on different things that you can do with your finance, with your expenses, with your savings, with your investing, all around financing, so you get those different ideas. Even for me as a CPA, I'm always learning about the right financial strategies to take, the right tax strategies to take, the way to make my money work for me. What I believe is I'll work for the first $2, but then that $2 need to work for the next $3. I'm not working for $5. I'm going to work for 2, and then the 2 has to work for the 3. That's the way to live the American dream. And the way to do that is being financial literate. Number 2, good debt versus bad debt. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is so crucial to our society that we live in now, because we cannot live without credit and debt. But good debt and good credit is really important to understand the difference. Good debt is like mortgage that helps you build your credit and provides long-term benefits, while bad debt, like high interest credit card debt, will lead you to financial stress and instability, and it will cost you more on your budget, because on your budget line, if you're tracking your financing and you have revolving credit card debt at 20 to 30% interest rate, one of your things that you're paying for every month is interest. Some people's interest payment, one client told me the other day that when she added up all her interest payments for the year, it was $7,000. Just the interest that she's paid on her revolving credit cards, which I can tell you can go on a European cruise with. So $7,000 as part of your budget as interest debt. What does that mean? That means that you are putting stuff on your credit card that you cannot afford to pay off every month. And if you're doing that, you should not be doing that. You need to stop using instant gratification and use moderation and give something up now for the rewards later. The next is paying yourself first. The pain-free way to save and invest is by setting up automatic deposits from your bank account to your money market or savings account or your investment account each month. This approach helps you to save effortlessly. You're automating it and forgetting about it, ensuring that you're prioritizing your financial future. Yes, you want to live today and you want to enjoy moderately today, but you have to have for the future. A little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, a little bit for the future. You want to make sure that you're moderating everything, so you're not only living for today and then you don't have a pot to piss in for tomorrow. You always want pots. In addition, financial literacy is also very vital and it's often overlooked. People are like, oh, I'm not good with money. Well, if you're not good with money, you need to learn how to be good with money, because money is part of your life. Money affects more areas in your life than anything else that you want to think about. If you're not good with money and you have money stress, you can't do the things that you want to do. You can't live with your family well. You can't enjoy your family well. You're always stressing about money. But if you learn if you're financially literate and you're paying attention to what you're doing, you realize that your money management starts by working with working naturally through financial literacy. watching people like the Modern Savvy CPA with 3 decades of experience when it comes to finance and finance planning and strategies to make sure that you're living financially well and you're financially fit is really important. Financial literacy programs help you understand the emotional and the taboo nature of money. And if you don't understand your emotional taboo nature of money and have the right money mindset, then you are not on your way to making the important steps to make sure that your life is not stressed because of money. It's important that you manage debt wisely, that you make automatic savings effectively, you teach your children financial literacy. Teaching financial literacy in school and openly discussing money can be a great improvement for financial confidence and success. So until we get the megaphone to have the Modern Savvy CPA going to the colleges and the universities and the high schools and everywhere else that they'll take her, then we need to be able to try and watch these videos, understand that learning from these videos, learning how to be financially fit is the only way that you're going to get money stress out of your life. The only way that you're going to deal with the money stress, because we all have money stress. We all struggle with things. We all have to always be checking, making our goals and keep checking on our financial goals. And that's how we're going to get better with money. If you like these videos and you like all of my financial tips and you want to learn more, please subscribe, like, and make comments on the Modern Savvy CPA, and follow me on all of my social media so you can get the tidbits in order for you to live a stress-free and financially fit life. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Comment below on what topic you would like for me to cover next, and I'll see you on the next video.